questions on denomination, which I had already performed in part 1. Usually I divide each topic into 2 parts. In first part only NCERT, and second part obviously other than NCERT. Why it is so? Because I want to educate you in solving the problem. Now here a question I have taken from other book, that is Kanta has rupees 1020 in her bag. She finds that the number of 5 rupees coin are 20% of rupee 2 coins with her. Find the number of coins of each type in her bag. The formula will be the same as I have already said, like denomination into number of notes or coins equal to total amount. Now total amount is 1020. Here we have to find the 2 rupees coin and the 5 rupees coin. She finds that number of 5 rupees coin are 20% of rupee 2 coins. That is, we are comparing 5 rupees coin with that of 2 rupees coin. Now let the number of 2 coin be x. Now and the number of five coins would be 20%. That means 2 divided by 100. It means 1 by 5 into x of 2 rupees coin. 20% of 2 rupees coin. 2 rupees coin here x. Now 1 by 5 x. Now follow the same formula. Denomination rupees 2 into number of notes x plus denomination 5 into 1 by 5x. That means we can write x by 5 equal to 1020. Now here it is 2x plus x. After cancelling we get the x only. X equal to 1020. 3x equal to 1020. X equal to 1020 divided by 3. That means 3 3s are 9. 4 340. Number of 2 rupees coin is 340. So now यहाँ पे number of 2 rupees coin equal to 340. Number of rupees 5 coin equal to 1 by 5 into 340. $68. Now if we multiply rupees 2 into 340 and rupees 5 with 68, we will get the same amount. That is for verification purpose. Verification. Two into 340 that means 680, and 5 into 68 equal to 340. 0. This is equal to this. Now come to the second question. This is the second question, and I hope it is very easy. For 70 coins of ₹2 and ₹5 are mixed in a purse. पर्स के अंदर 70 coins है, और 70 coins कैसे है? In the form of ₹2 and 5. If the total value of the money in the purse is 230, ये 70 coins मिला के क्या होता है? ₹230 है. Find the number of each type of coin. आपको अलग अलग डिनोमिनेशन निकालना है. Let the number of ₹2 be x, and the number of ₹5 would be, here 70 coins, उनमें से ₹2 coin है x, तो ₹5 coin would be 70 minus x. Now follow the same rule, that is denomination 2 into number of coin x plus denomination 5 into 70 minus x would be 230. Now solve it. 2x plus 350 minus 5x equal to 230. 5x 350 minus 3x equal to 230. Now being it is negative, we can make it positive by changing the side. Now 350 minus 230 equal to 3x. Here 0, 2, 1 equal to 3x. X equal to 120 divided by 3, that means 40. Number of ₹2 coin is 40. So we can easily find out the number of ₹5 coin would be 70 minus 40, that is 30. So यहाँ पे number of ₹2 is 40. Number of ₹5 is 70 minus 40 equal to 30. Now for verification, verify. Verification. 2 into number of coin 40, that means 80, and 5 into 30, 120 ₹230. This is equal to this. This is the third question. Guggu has ₹34 of 50 पैसे and 25 पैसे coin. इन दोनों को मिला के दो डिनोमिनेशन मिला के 34 हो रहा है. If the number of 25 paisa coins be twice the number of 50 paisa coin, that is 25 paisa coin is much more, मतलब twice more than 50 paisa coin. तो कंपेयर किया मैंने 50 पैसा कॉइन से. लेट द नंबर ऑफ ₹0.5 50 B X, and the number of rupees 0.25 be twice 2x. Now we will follow the same rule. Denomination 0.50 into x plus 0.25 into 2x equal to 34. now यहाँ पे 0.5 x 50x का प्लस यहाँ पे 0.50 x इक्वल टू 34. यहाँ पे x 1x इक्वल टू 34, x इक्वल टू 34. नंबर ऑफ 50 पैसा कॉइन इज 34, x इक्वल टू 34. नाउ यहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ 0.50 कॉइन equal to 34. Number of 0.25 coins equal to 68. Double of this 68. Now verification. Verification. 0.50 into 34. That means 17. 0.25 into 68, it will also come 17, that is 34, which is equal to rupees 34. Now come to the fourth question. This is your fourth question. A bag contains rupees 1, rupees 2, rupees 5 coins whose value ratio is 4:6:15. If the number of coins is 80, then find the total value of the bag. Here you will observe that total value is missing. That has to be found out. And total number of coins is given 80. Or along with ratio is also given. Now how can you solve it? 4:6:15. Let the number of rupees 1 be 4x and the number of rupees 2 is 6x and the number of rupees 15, 1, 2 and rupees 5. Rupees 5 is 15x. Now if we add, we will get 80. Now adding 1 to 3, that is 4x plus 6x plus 15x equal to 80. Now 4 plus 6, 10 plus 15, 20, 10, 25. 25x equal to 80. X equal to 80 divided by 25, 3.2. 3.2. Now accordingly we will get 4x equal to 4 into 3.2. 3.2. That means 12.80. 6x equal to 6 into 3.2. That means 19. 19. 19 6.320 equal to 19 point, I think 20 or yes 20, and 15, x equal to 15 into 3.2, it will come 48.00. Now here this is the denomination. Now denomination into this we will get the total amount. Denomination total amount is 12.80 into rupees 1, denomination 1, plus 19.20 into rupees 2, plus 48 into 5, कितना आता है 12.80 प्लस 38.80 38.40 और यहाँ पे 5 8 से 40 40 0 4 20 24 240 201 29 and 291 ये टोटल अमाउंट है. This is the result of this question. Now I have completed the problems on denomination in 2 parts. Next video will be on the topic consecutive numbers, and it will be of one video. I think there are not so many questions, typical questions.